Hello children, you're welcome to Den of Knowledge. I am your civic education teacher and my name is Opeke Bright Oyebuchi, and we are going to look on the topic elements of national identity. Elements of national identity. Elements of national identity. In our previous lesson, we discussed national identity and we said that national identity are those symbols or behaviors that distinguish our country from another country. And today, we're going to look at the elements of national identity. Nigeria has different or many elements of national identity, and it includes number one, the national anthem. The national anthem is a song that is used to praise Nigeria and also used to show respect to Nigeria. And we can recite it in this way. Arise, O compatriot, Nigeria call obey, to serve our fatherland with love and strength and faith. The labor of our heroes past shall never be in vain, to serve with heart and might one nation bound in freedom, peace and unity. After reciting the national anthem, you place your hand on your chest this way and recite the national pledge. You can recite it this way. I pledge to Nigeria, my country, to be faithful, loyal and honest, to serve Nigeria with all my strength, to defend her unity and uphold her honor and glory. So help me God. The national anthem and the national pledge are recited together. Now, the next element is citizenship. Citizenship. Citizenship simply means the right we have to stay in our country. The right we have to stay in our country. Yes, if you want to be a member of Nigeria as a country, you can be a member in this way, either by registration, by birth. By birth, when you are born, your father is from Nigeria, your mother is from Nigeria, and you are born in Nigeria, you automatically become a citizen of Nigeria. You can also be a citizen of Nigeria by registration. That is, if you are coming from another country, or if you are from another country and you come to Nigeria, and you register as a citizen of Nigeria, automatically you have become a Nigerian citizen. Next is by naturalization. You can become a Nigerian citizen when you come from another country and settle in Nigeria. You abide by the rules and regulations in Nigeria. You automatically become a Nigerian citizen. Now let us look at other elements, which is payment of taxes. Payment of taxes. It is the duty of Nigerian citizens to pay tax to government. Yes, somebody who has reached the age of 18 years must pay his or her tax to government, because the taxes help government to provide social amenities like schools, hospitals, and good roads for us. So with the payment of your tax, government can provide those things to make our life more comfortable in our country. Next is respecting the national symbol. Respecting the national symbol. Yes, a good citizen of Nigeria must respect the national symbols such as the Nigerian coat of arms, the maize, the national passport, and the Constitution of Nigeria. The Constitution of Nigeria contains the rules and regulations that guide Nigeria. So you must abide by the rules and regulations. When you see a maize, maize is a symbol of authority in the House of Representatives. It is what gives them, or what gives them, the authority to pass a decision or to make a decision. It gives them authority to make a decision. That means without maize, the House will not sit and no decision will be taken. The national flag is also one of the symbols. And whenever we want to sing the national anthem, you respect the national flag, because the national flag signifies the symbol of Nigeria, or we say that it represents Nigeria. So when you want to sing the national anthem where the national flag is erected, then you stand at attention, or you stand attention by respecting the national flag. And that's the much we can take for now. Thank you, and God bless you.